If poverty was just about working harder, millions of people wouldn't still be broke. So why are they? Let's be honest, most people are stuck not because they're lazy, but because they were never taught how to escape. This isn't just another motivational video. You're about to learn the 9 most important truths about money, mindset, and freedom. Truths that the system doesn't teach you. If you stick with me until the end, I'll give you the complete playbook. No fluff, just real strategy 1. Master your mindset. Your mindset is the starting point of everything. If you think like a broke person, you'll act like one, even when money comes your way. Most people grow up hearing things like, money is evil, or people like us don't get rich. These ideas sink into your mind and shape the way you see the world. But here's the truth, you can't build a better life with a broken way of thinking. You have to change your beliefs first. Start paying attention to the way you talk about money. Do you say things like, I can't afford it, or I'm just not lucky? Flip that. Say, how can I afford it? Or what do I need to learn? Your brain follows the questions you ask. Feed it better ones. Read books, listen to people who've made it, and protect your thoughts like your future depends on it, because it does. 2. Kill the entitlement mentality before it kills your potential. Here's a hard truth most people avoid. The world doesn't owe you anything. Not a job, not a raise, not even a second chance. Many people stay stuck because they believe they deserve success just for trying hard or going through tough times. But life doesn't work that way. The real world rewards those who solve problems and bring value, not those who wait to be noticed. If you want to change your financial life, you have to take full responsibility for where you are and where you're going. Start small, work smart, and don't be afraid to do jobs that seem beneath you. Every step forward builds your skill, your mindset, and your income. Remember, no one is coming to save you, and that's not bad news, that's your greatest power. 3rd, get financially educated. School teaches you many things, but rarely how to handle money. That's a big reason why so many smart people still struggle financially. If you don't learn how money works, it will always control you. Start with the basics. Learn how to budget, what credit scores mean, how interest works, and how to grow your savings. Understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Know what assets are and why the rich focus on owning them. You don't need a finance degree to understand this. There are free resources online, books, videos, and apps that break it all down in simple ways. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel making smart money moves. Your financial education is your responsibility now, and it's the key to changing your future. 4. Build one money-making skill that pays you forever. If you want to stop living paycheck to paycheck, you need a skill that people will pay you for. Not a random hobby, but a skill that solves a real problem. This could be writing, graphic design, video editing, sales, coding, or even managing social media. The good news, you don't need a fancy degree. You can learn most of these skills online for free or at a low cost. Focus on just one skill and practice it daily. The more you improve, the more valuable you become. And when you're good at something that people need, money starts to come in consistently. That skill becomes your ticket to freedom. It's something no one can take from you. Learn it, master it, then use it to build the life you want. 5. Learn sales. Whether you know it or not, you're already in sales. Every time you apply for a job, promote your work, or share your ideas, you're selling. The problem is, many people avoid learning sales because they think it's about pressure or tricks. It's not. Real sales is about understanding people, solving problems, and clearly showing how you can help. The ability to sell can increase your income faster than almost any other skill. And the best part, anyone can learn it. Start by practicing how you speak, listen, and explain things simply. Read about sales psychology, or watch how good sellers build trust. Even if you never start a business, knowing how to sell will help you earn more, stand out, and get ahead in any field. 6. Use community resources. If you're trying to build a better life, you don't have to do it alone. There are free resources in your community that can help you grow faster than you think. Public libraries offer free internet, courses, and books on money and business. Local non-profits and training centres often provide job programs, career coaching, and even small business support. Some churches, community groups, and city offices offer free workshops, networking events, and financial aid. These are powerful tools, but most people ignore them. Don't be one of them. Ask around, search online, and take advantage of what's available. Many successful people got their start with free resources like these. You just have to take the first step and show up. 7. Be a pro in everything you do. If you want to earn more, start acting like a professional, no matter what job you're doing. Whether you're working at a store, freelancing online, or building your own business, treat it like it matters. Show up on time. Do your best. Communicate clearly. When you take pride in your work, people notice. That's how you get better clients, more referrals, and new opportunities. Even small jobs can lead to big results when you handle them like a pro. Your work is a reflection of you, and if people trust your work, they'll trust you with more. Being professional doesn't cost anything, but it pays off more than you think. 8. Drop the poor identity. The way you see yourself shapes the way you live. If you keep calling yourself broke or struggling, you're training your mind to stay that way. Words are powerful. They shape your habits, your choices, and even your future. Even if your bank account is empty, don't let that define your identity. Start saying, I'm learning, I'm building, I'm on my way up. This shift changes how you think and act. Surround yourself with people who talk about growth, success, and improvement, not just complaints and problems. Stop joking about being broke. Instead, start building the mindset of someone who's going somewhere, because you are, and it starts with how you see yourself. 9. Adopt the success mindset. Here's something most people never realize. Wealth doesn't come from luck. It comes from solving problems. If you look closely, the people who earn the most are the ones who help the most. They ask, what do people need? How can I provide it better than others? That's the mindset of success. Instead of waiting for a lucky break, they focus on adding value. You don't have to be famous or start a huge company. You just need to offer something helpful, useful, or valuable to others. That could be a product, a skill, or a service. When you focus on giving value, money starts to follow. This is the mindset that separates those who wait for change from those who create it. Escaping poverty starts with action, not just intention. If this video sparked a mindset shift, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And for more life-changing lessons, subscribe to Money on Point